Now, ito yung next problem na isosolve natin. The 20 mm diameter bolt fastens two wooden planks together daw. Itong dalawa, wooden planks. And then, the nut is tightened until the tensile stress in the bolt is 150 MPa. Find the smallest safe diameter D of the washers. Ito pala yung washers. Ayan. If the working bearing stress for wood is 13 MPa. So, sigma B equals 13 MPa. Ayan. Now, we can cut the bolt pa ganyan. And then, let's try to analyze the tensile force. Kasi meron kasi tayong tensile stress. So, analyzing one side of the bolt, parang ito yung matitira. Ayan. So, meron tayong tensile force na madedevelop dyan. Again, this happened since, ano raw? The nut is tightened. So, di ba, ito yung nut. So, meron tayong tensile force, and then the tensile stress is equal to 150 MPa. So, itong tensile force, it acts over the cross-section of the bolt, which is just equal to pi d squared divided by 4, perpendicular area sa tension. So, simply, 150 MPa is equal to the tensile stress divided by the area. Pi over 4 times diameter is 20 mm squared. Ayan. So, T is equal to 150, stress times area na lang, pi over 4 times 20 squared. Ayan. So, this is 47123.89. Ayan. Now, once alam mo na yung tensile stress, we can now solve the smallest safe diameter D ng washers given the bearing stress. So, di ba, yung bearing stress, this involves contact pressure. So, kung titingnan mo yung washer, di ba, it is in contact with this portion lang. Parang ito ba? Yan. In contact siya dyan with the wood, the wooden plank. So, ito lang dapat yung i-analyze natin para sa bearing. Now, na-model ko yan sa SketchUp. Ito siya. So, again, ito yung bolt. Tas, parang hinihila natin siya. Pag ganyan. Once the nut is tightened. So, mangyayari dyan, ito yung washer. So, in contact siya sa plate natin. So, pag i-hide ko yan, itong portion lang ng washer yung in contact. So, essentially, di ba, ito yung diameter ng washer, yung buo. Tas, babawasan natin by this amount. Anyway, yung washer dyan, meron siyang allowance. Pero sa problem natin, inassume kasi na sagad yung, nakasagad yung diameter. Ito. Nakasagad siya dyan. So, essentially, outer circle with D as the diameter minus inner circle na 20 mm lang yung diameter. So, again, parang ito yan. Outer minus inner. But disregard, just disregard the allowance. So, unhide na lang natin. Ayan. So, now, we would have the bearing stress para sa wood is equal to, di ba, 13 MPa. So, based on bearing. Ayan. So, we would have 13 MPa. Stress equals force divided by area. So, our force is, ito lang, 47123.89. Kasi yung force na yan yung reason kung bakit merong contact pressure na mabubuo sa junction point ng plank saka ng washer. So, 0.89 newtons. And then, our area is pi over 4 times d squared, area ng washer, tas babawasan natin ng area ng bolt. Parang sa top view niya. So, parenthesis na lang. Then, minus pi over 4 times 20 squared. Ayan. So, again, this is outer area. Outer area minus inner area. So, solving D, ano na lang, 13 times, just multiply this to 13 para yung unknowns natin nasa numerator lang lahat. Pi over 4, then ano na lang, join na lang natin yung d squared, common kasi yung pi over 4, bale d squared minus 20 squared, ayan, equals 47123.89. So, solving the diameter of the washer, we would get 70.819 or 70.82 approximately. Ayan. So, ito na yung sagot natin.